Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make healthy living lifestyle to become really easy, fun and delicious by showing you these collard green wraps. Homemade collard green wraps, very delicious and so healthy. And I wrapped it with this collard green. If you're used to collard green, you know how delicious the leaf by itself is. You can use it for your soups, your stews, and you can even eat it raw. But first off, let's jump right into it. Here I have my quinoa that I'm going to be using for this collard green wrap. I'm going to prep that. And this is the leaf, the collard green leaves. Usually when I get to the store, I look for the ones that are very wide and green and very, very fresh. So this is the one I got from the store. Okay. Also, I'm going to be using some cabbage for this collard green wraps. And these are the vegetables too that I'm using. I'm using some carrots, I'm using some beets, and I'm using all the colors of the sweet bell peppers, as you can see. So right here I have hummus that I'm using. Feel free to use some peanut butter or whatever you have. Right now I'm preparing my quinoa. So I'm going to be leaving the description of how to make this quinoa down in my description box below. So feel free to check it out. So I just washed, I cleaned it up, I rinsed it, I put it in a pot now with some water, and I'm going to let this boil. Now I'm covering it. It's already ready. After about 15 to 20 minutes, it's all done. So as this is cooling, I'm going to be prepping all my ingredients for this delicious, easy collard green wrap. So I'm going to let this rest and cool down completely. So right here, we're starting off with the leaf, the collard green leaf. You see how wide this is? So I'm going to be removing the stem, as you can see. But some people tend to just put the leaf on a pan and just heat it up to soften it up a little bit. But I'm looking for that crunchiness, so I'm just doing it raw because I'm going to be eating the leaf raw. So I just removed the stem from the leaf. So that's how I do it. It enables me to be able to roll up my wrap and put all my stuff into it. So now, as you can see, the leaf has softened a little bit. Some people tend to soak it up in hot water and put a little bit of salt. They soak it up for about 30 minutes or so. But I like my leaf very crunchy and very raw. Now it's foldable, so it's fine. So this is another leaf that I'm removing the stem, as you can see. Like I said, I usually go for the wide leaf. It enables me to put a lot of vegetables into it. So while that is done, now it's time to cut all my peppers. So I'm going to be slicing these peppers to the size that I want. So feel free to cut your veggies into any size that you want, but I'm making it very thin so that I can put enough into my collard green wrap. So it's time to slice my carrots. Also my cabbage. You can equally add some cucumbers or some avocado. It depends on you. Also my beets, I'm gonna slice this. As you can see, it's already sliced. So I'm just trying to clean my surface because after dealing with beets, it's always messy. Now it's time for my leaves to start rolling. So what I'm doing here, I already made sure the leaf is very clean. You have to wash and make sure it's clean. But I go an extra mile to use my paper towel to wipe out the remaining water from the leaves. So first off, I grab my hummus, and then I just take a little bit and just rub it on the collard green leaf, like so. And then I add my quinoa and my carrots, the beets, so it doesn't really have to follow a particular order. Just do whatever you want to do it however you want to do it. It's that easy. At the end, just make sure you put everything in. To this, you can add avocado or some cucumbers or whatever you like to add. So you see how wide that leaf is? It's wide enough to be able to put as much as possible. And now I added the cabbage. So it's time to wrap. So you just start rolling from the beginning. You pick up the end of the leaf and roll the sides, bring them together and just roll. This is so fun to make, but sometimes it's time consuming because you have to prep all your ingredients. But when they are prepped, it just goes very easy and very smooth. So at the end, you fold it up into a burrito style wrap. You can incorporate collard green leaf into your soups, your stews, because it has lots of delicious health benefits. So that's our wrap is set, and now I'm making the third one. So at this point, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. And those who haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe and click on the notification bell to be able to get new videos as soon as I post them. Thank you all for your delicious comments. God bless you. So if you're vegan, you can use this. It's exactly the way I made it. But for those who are not vegans, you can put some shrimps in there, throw some turkey or whatever you like, some chicken in there into that wrap, and enjoy it as much as possible. So right now I'm just going to slice up the ends. Feel free to cut it in the middle, but I'm going to slice up the end and just chew on it and just enjoy it. So if you have watched up to this point, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. Thank you so much. And feel free to subscribe if this video has helped you. If you like what you see on this channel, subscribe, like, share my videos. God bless you. And hopefully I'll see you again. Look at that, yummy, yummy. See you again in my next video by God's grace. Bye for now.